Hi and welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a topic that is absolutely crucial to making progress towards any goal you have. SMART goals. A system that helps you turn your big abstract dreams into manageable bite-sized pieces. Alright, so what's exactly this whole SMART goal thing about? In a nutshell, SMART stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. But it's more than just a fancy acronym. It's actually a practical way of setting goals that aren't just wishful thinking. Let's dive deeper into the world of SMART goals by creating one right in front of you. Imagine you've set yourself a goal: I want to learn Spanish. It's a good beginning, but it's a bit broad, so let's see how we can sharpen this with the SMART approach. We begin with specific. Our goal needs clarity, so instead of just learning Spanish, we aim to freely communicate with my Spanish-speaking coworkers. Next, we make it measurable. How will we track if you're getting better? By taking language proficiency test every month, for instance, and our goal now becomes: I want to reach B1 level for my monthly proficiency test to be able to freely communicate with my Spanish-speaking coworkers. Achievable is up next. Let's add a realistic study plan. You commit to studying 30 minutes a day, and our goal evolves to: I want to study 30 minutes a day and reach B1 level for my monthly proficiency test to be able to freely communicate with my Spanish-speaking coworkers. For relevant, our goal stays the same. Learning Spanish ties in with your broader objectives, like enhancing your communication at work. And finally, time-bound. We add a deadline, like achieving these by the end of the year. Now our SMART goal is: I want to study 30 minutes a day and reach B1 level for my monthly proficiency test till the end of the year to be able to freely communicate with my Spanish-speaking coworkers. And voila! We've transformed a broad aspiration into a well-structured SMART goal. It's specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Now it's your turn to apply SMART to your goals. To find more info about SMART goals and how to use them, check our Productive Fish article. The link is in the description below. What are your goals and how you make them SMART? Share them in the comments below. I'd love to hear your strategies. And hey, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, and if you want more content like this, be sure to subscribe and ring the bell. Until next time, and stay smart!